This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 10th of July 2013. The euro weakened overnight after the S&P downgraded Italy's long-term sovereign credit rating to BBB from BBB+, just two notches above junk level. The negative outlook suggested that there could be another downgrade this year or next. The rating agency noted further worsening of Italy's economic prospects coming on top of a decade of real growth, averaging minus 0.04%. It lowered the GDP forecast in 2013 to 1.9%, down from a prior projection of minus 1.4%. Also weighing down on the euro was European Central Bank Executive Board member Asmussen's dovish comments. He noted that the central bank's forward guidance of keeping rates at record lows for an extended period of time goes beyond 12 months, and he didn't rule out further use of standard and non-standard measures, including another round of long-term refinancing operations. Euro-US dollar dropped to as low as 1.2755 and is set to take on 1.2746 support, a break of which will have larger bearish implications. San Francisco Fed Williams tried to calm markets from concerns of Fed tapering in a paper titled A Defense of Moderation in Monetary Policy. He said the claim that the Fed is responding insufficiently to the shocks hitting the economy rests on the assumption that policy is made with complete certainty about the effects of policy on the economy. He criticized that as nothing could be further from the truth. He said uncertainty about the effect of policies is especially acute in the case of unconventional policy instruments, such as using the Fed's balance sheet to influence financial and economic conditions. Meanwhile, he argued that deploying unconventional policy would allow gradualism in shifts in the stance of policy. The IMF lowered the global GDP growth forecast to 3.1% in 2013, down from a prior projection of 3.3% made in April. For 2014, global growth is projected to be 3.8%, down from the prior 4% projection. It noted that downside risks to global growth prospects still dominate, and the possibility of a longer growth slowdown in emerging market economies, especially given risks of lower potential growth, slowing credit, and possibly tighter financial conditions if the anticipated unwinding of monetary policy stimulus in the US leads to sustained capital flow reversals. US growth forecast was lowered to 1.7% in 2013 and 2.7% in 2014, down from the prior forecasts of 1.9% and 3% respectively. The Eurozone is expected to contract 0.6% in 2013, worse than the prior 0.3% projection. Japan growth was raised to 2% in 2013, up from the prior 1.6%, whilst China's growth is projected to be at 7.8% in 2013, down from the prior forecast of 8%. In the US, the main event today is expected to be the release of the minutes from the 18th to 19th of June Federal Open Market Committee meeting. The message was surprisingly hawkish in the sense that Bernanke was very explicit in indicating that quantitative easing tapering could start later this year and possibly be terminated as soon as mid-2014. Some members have since attempted to soften the message in statements, so it will be interesting to see what degree there is consensus among the Federal Open Market Committee members. Fed Chairman Ben Bernanke will also be speaking this evening. In Europe, the focus will be on May industrial production in France and Italy, and several European Central Bank members will be speaking throughout the day. For all the news affecting the Forex market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.